How to reset your Google passphrase. Now, in order to do this, you're gonna have to go ahead as password manager or encryption services. So you're gonna have to go to the passphrase settings over here. So visit that in your preferred browser, log into the Google account you want to change your passphrase from, and then choose to reset or remove passphrase. If you have set a custom passphrase, you will see your data is protected with a custom passphrase or an option to reset passphrase or remove custom passphrase. Then just go ahead and click remove or reset. Then you're gonna have to confirm the warning. So you see a warning that says removing the custom passphrase will delete all end-to-end encrypted data stored with this passphrase, and you cannot retrieve encrypted password or backups a link to that passphrase. You will have to resync data later as well, so Chrome passwords or device backups. So there you can just pretty much click confirm or reset. Then finally, just re-enable sync, which is optional. Your encrypted services will fall back to using your Google account, password, or encryption. Re-enable sync if needed, especially in Chrome, Android, or Google Drive. But anyways, that's pretty much how you reset your Google passphrase. So if this video can help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.